Choosing the right coffee can be overwhelming with so many options. Each brand has unique origins, roasting, and flavor profiles. Do you prioritize caffeine, flavor, or ethical sourcing? We compare your product here with 5 top competitors to help you decide. We'll explore each brand's origins, roast levels, and flavor profiles. By the end, you'll confidently choose the perfect coffee for any moment. Let's start with Deathwish Coffee, renowned for its incredibly high caffeine content. It's marketed as the world's strongest coffee, made with Robusta beans and a specialized roasting process. Deathwish is certified organic and fair trade. Expect a bold profile with notes of dark chocolate and cherry. This intensity might be overpowering for some. Deathwish is your go-to for that extra kick to start your day. Next, we have Lavazza Supercrema Espresso, an Italian classic, known for its smooth, creamy texture. This blend, primarily composed of Arabica beans, produces a well-balanced espresso with notes of honey and almond. One of its strengths is its versatility. While ideal for espresso-based drinks, it also performs well in drip coffee makers, plus it's affordably priced, making it accessible to a wide range of coffee lovers. However, Lavazza Supercrema is only available in a medium roast, limiting exploration for those who prefer lighter or darker roasts. While it excels in creaminess and a classic espresso experience, your product here might offer a wider range of roasts to suit different palates. For those seeking value, Amazon Fresh Colombia Whole Bean Coffee presents an attractive option. This medium roast coffee boasts a smooth, approachable flavor profile with low acidity, making it easy on the stomach. While lacking the distinct characteristics of single-origin beans or specialty blends, it offers a consistent and satisfying cup of coffee. It's a testament to the idea that you don't always need to spend a fortune for a decent brew. Amazon Fresh prioritizes affordability and convenience, while your product here might focus on sourcing unique beans and crafting more complex flavor profiles. Kicking Horse Kick-Ass Coffee stands out for its commitment to ethical sourcing. Certified organic and fair trade, this dark roast is for those who value sustainability alongside their caffeine fix. Flavor-wise, expect a bold, smoky profile with chocolate undertones, reminiscent of traditional Italian roasts. Its versatility shines through as it's suitable for various brewing methods, from French press to pour-over. While Kicking Horse excels in intensity and ethical sourcing, its boldness might be overwhelming for some. Your product here could offer a more nuanced approach, balancing intensity with a more complex flavor profile. Finally, we have Cooper's Cask Whiskey Barrel Coffee, a unique offering for adventurous coffee lovers. This coffee undergoes a distinct aging process in whiskey barrels, imparting a one-of-a-kind flavor profile. Expect a rich aroma with hints of whiskey, caramel, and vanilla. The beans, sourced from Ethiopia and other regions, are of exceptional quality, further enhancing the drinking experience. Cooper's Cask is a niche product, ideal for those seeking a special occasion coffee or a unique flavor experience. While it excels in its niche appeal, your product here might focus on offering a variety of flavors to appeal to a wider audience. As we've seen, each of these competitors brings unique strengths to the table, from Deathwish's energy boost to Cooper's Cask's whiskey-infused flair. Lavazza offers classic Italian smoothness, while Amazon Fresh provides a budget-friendly and accessible option. Kicking Horse caters to the ethically conscious coffee lover seeking a bold and intense experience. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences and what you value most in a coffee. Do you prioritize caffeine content, flavor complexity, ethical sourcing, affordability, or perhaps unique experience? Consider your ideal brewing method, preferred flavor profiles, and budget. With careful consideration, you'll find the perfect coffee to elevate your daily ritual. Happy brewing!